Today, I will show you 5 different nail designs created using golden flakes. On the first nail design, apply 3 pastel colors to the nail. A little here and there on the nail. Apply golden flakes a little here and there on the nail design. Where you want to apply golden flakes, finish the nail design by applying top coat. On the next nail, I will apply gold flakes at the bottom of the nail, and on the upper part of the nail, I will apply the color black. Apply a red jelly color on the nail. Apply randomly golden flakes here and there on the nail. To get the effect we are looking for, apply 2 thin layers of an orange jelly color. Try applying golden flakes now to areas that are not already covered with golden flakes. Now, finish the nail by applying 2 thin layers of a green jelly color. If you want a simple nail design, apply some golden flakes near the cuticle area. Apply black paint along the edge of the nail, leaving a field open at the center. Apply now golden flakes in the center of the nail, and then apply a blue jelly color. I hope this inspired you to try different nail designs using golden flakes.